Meet Jen. Jen's a business owner trying to make it in the digital age. She knows the internet is vital to the success of her business, but her company is hard to find online. She doesn't know when she gets new reviews. And despite her best efforts, Jen isn't doing so hot on social media. Jen needs a way to manage her online reputation. She needs to conquer digital. For Jen to grow her business, she needs to be found online. Search engines, directories, social media, there's so much to do. It's no wonder Jen is overwhelmed. That's where we come in. We have the complete digital solution to help any business owner. With our help, Jen can master her online presence. She can find out where her business appears online and make sure those listings are accurate. She'll see what her customers are saying and can respond quickly and easily. Jen will get alerts on any device every time there's a new review, and she can request feedback in ways that work best for her customers. Then, she can share those reviews to amplify positive word of mouth. She'll know anytime her business is mentioned, even in the nooks and crannies of the internet. Plus, Jen can keep an eye on her competition. So now Jen is happy. Why? Because search engines can find her, which means customers can too. Engagement is up and new business is flooding in, all while Jen is climbing Google's search results. It's brand management done right.